Imagine biting into a piece of chicken that's perfectly crisp on the outside, while still maintaining that succulent juiciness on the inside. Welcome to the world of air fryer chicken, a game changer for both taste and health. Begin with 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These are your canvas. Ensure each piece is roughly the same size for even cooking. Next, create a marinade that will infuse your chicken with flavors and keep it moist. For this, you need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon each of black pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Whisk these together in a bowl until well combined. Submerge the chicken breasts in this marinade. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes, or for an extra flavor boost, refrigerate them overnight. Patience is key here. The longer the chicken marinates, the more flavorful it becomes. When you're ready to cook, preheat your air fryer to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial for achieving that desired crispy texture. While it heats, take your marinated chicken and prepare a breading station. In one bowl, place 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In another, beat 2 eggs with a tablespoon of water. In a third bowl, add 2 cups of breadcrumbs mixed with a teaspoon of Italian seasoning for an extra layer of flavor. Dip each piece of chicken into the flour, shaking off any excess. Then, drench it in the beaten egg mixture and finally, coat it thoroughly with the seasoned breadcrumbs. This triple layer ensures your chicken will achieve the ultimate crunch. Spray the air fryer basket with a light coat of cooking spray to prevent sticking. Arrange the chicken pieces in a single layer, ensuring they do not touch. Cook for 10 minutes, then flip each piece and cook for an additional 10 minutes. The golden rule here, no overcrowding. This allows the hot air to circulate freely, giving you that evenly crispy exterior. After 20 minutes, your chicken should be golden and crispy. Check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer. You're aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your chicken is not only crispy, but also cooked safely and thoroughly. To serve, consider a light squeeze of lemon for a fresh zest or a side of your favorite dipping sauce. This dish pairs wonderfully with a crisp green salad or steamed vegetables. In recap, start with marinating your chicken in a blend of olive oil, lemon juice, and spices. Bread it with flour, egg, and seasoned breadcrumbs. Air fry at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through. And there you have it, a dish that doesn't just feed the body, but also pleases the soul. There's nothing quite like the simplicity of ingredients coming together to create a dish that's both visually appealing and deliciously satisfying. Enjoy your meal, and remember, the perfect chicken is just an air fryer away.